Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your FedEx ADP account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in login.adp.com and press enter. You will now be asked to choose the option that describes you best. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your appropriate option, which in most of the case is the third one, which says that your current employer uses ADP. You can then click on the next button and you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your user ID within the user ID box that you have created while signing up for your account. Then click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password underneath within the password box and click on the sign in button, and now you will be logged in to your FedEx ADP account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option at the bottom left section and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your FedEx ADP account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.